Empty spaces, trying to find the words to say this. I am tired of stages telling me that I'll be better when I'm not. I'm here, I know we used to have it all. No, I'm not, I'm here, wish I could have broke this fall. I need you now. I don't care how. I would do anything. I need to talk to you somehow.